ẹni tó lórí ò ní fìlà lọ́rọ̀ relationships pẹ̀lú àwọn míì. Ẹni tó dẹ̀ ní fìlà nígbà míì kò lórí. Sometimes you can have everything you want in a partner. You can have it. The person will be kind, will be nice, will be responsible, will be committed, will be loyal, will be romantic, will be everything you want. But there will be a problem if you are not everything they want. So think about it before you get into that relationship. If that person is right for you, if they are doing what you want, are you right for them? Are you doing what will please them too? Or you have your dirty habits. You can't eat your cake and have it. You can't have a wonderful person being committed to you, staying committed, loyal to you, and be someone who will be cheating on them, who will be giving them the other side of love.